What's the first thing they teach you in Scouts? Always be prepared. You never know when you might end up spending a night under the stars, planned or otherwise. That's why Titan Survival's extra thick emergency sleeping bag is a must-have for survival kits and go bags. Originally developed for the NASA space program, Titan's sleeping bag is 47% thicker than the leading competitive brands and will reflect up to 90% of your body heat back towards you when used properly. Each sleeping bag comfortably fits a single adult. The tear-resistant and reusable fabric can be rolled and stowed back into its drawstring bag for multiple uses. Whether you're ready or not, life happens. Don't get caught off guard. Prepare ahead of time. Titan Survival.
Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Xlite mattress is not only extremely comfortable, but it's the lightest and most compact NeoAir mattress ever, packing down to the size of a water bottle. Even more impressive is the fact that with its thermocapture technology, which traps radiant heat, and its triangular core matrix construction, which minimizes convective heat loss, the NeoAir Xlite mattress delivers an extremely high warmth-to-weight ratio. Made in the USA, the NeoAir Xlite mattress now features new fabric for more comfort and a quieter rest, and it's available in 3 sizes to accommodate anyone's needs. So whether you're an alpinist, a thru hiker, or an ultralight backpacker who's counting every ounce, there's simply no better mattress on the market than Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Xlite. For more information about it, visit thermarest.com.
For those who seek the freedom of the outdoors, we built the Questar HD20 to help adventurers rest and play better. Over the past 40 years, we've slept in the woods, on the rocks. We only use fill certified by the Responsible Down standard. The bag seamlessly integrates with your mattress using Synergy Link connectors. These removable straps keep you on your pad. An ergonomic Toasis footbox keeps your feet cozy and warm after a long day on the trail. It also packs down small, making it the perfect